Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to customize always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Now to do that, just open settings, then go to lock screen and AOD. From here, just tap on always on display. Now from here, you can customize your always on display. You can enable or disable navbar on your always on display, and you can customize how to show your always on display. You have the option of tap to show, and you can show the always on display if you tap on the display. And also you have the option of auto and always. Also you have the option of scheduled, and if you select scheduled, you can schedule a time to enable always on display. Now if you want to customize the style of the always on display, just go back and tap on themes. From here, just go to AODs, and from here, just download any always on display style which you like. Just tap on download, then tap on apply. Now just choose your always on display style. You can select clock and image or image only. I will select image only. Now just tap on done. Now, as you can see, this is how you can customize always on display on the Samsung Galaxy A36 or the A56. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.